Water comprises about 71% of the Earth's surface. With nearly 97% of all water being salt water, however, only a limited amount can be consumed.
Water conservation is important at various levels, both at the producer level because of the tight economic times we have. They need to really utilize that water resource very efficiently. We're also facing water supply situations around the country and around the world that are mandating improved management and improved efficiencies.
In order to reduce the negative impacts on the environment, Lindsay Corporation works to promote awareness using practices that protect our natural resources. By combining patented and proprietary technology with proven crop research, FieldNet Advisor delivers growers a smart irrigation management solution that provides both the information they need and the remote management capabilities that enable faster, better informed, and optimized irrigation decisions.
FieldNet Advisor is truly a groundbreaking new technology. One of the most powerful things about this feature is the way that it takes what used to be an incredibly complex calculation to help the grower understand precisely when, how much, and where they needed to be irrigating, and take that and do all of the heavy lifting for the grower, such that the grower, what they end up with is a very simple recommendation that's easy to understand and a user interface that's incredibly easy to use, and it's always available in the palm of your hand using the FieldNet mobile app or the website.
Unlike existing in-field soil moisture probes or crop sensors that provide point-specific information, FieldNet Advisor tracks every inch of the field.
FieldNet Advisor doesn't just track a specific point in the field though, it's actually tracking every point throughout the field. And so because it has that data available, it's able to use that data to then generate a variable rate irrigation prescription for every one of your fields that you have in FieldNet Advisor. And most importantly, it updates that prescription every single day.
When I started using FieldNet Advisor, it was just first coming out. And we've been using scheduling and modeling for years. And I was very impressed with the way that they were getting to the point where we needed water and how we needed water. And we were actually using some scheduling as a checkbook method. So we started running it back and forth and watching that and analyzing it and actually running soil moisture probes at the same time and being able to see that it really worked. By going out and ground truthing and looking at the soils, we were able to tell it was spot on.
FieldNet Advisor improves crop yields by helping to avoid both crop water stress caused by under-irrigating, as well as the loss of key nutrients in the soil and other negative impacts caused by over-irrigating.
We're putting on way too much water in the crop, and we know it, everyone knows it, but no one has an alternative to know where we should be. And that's what FieldNet Advisor really does. It shows us where we should have the water and place the water at the right time. It looks like we're going to be increasing our yields by the water that we've utilized with FieldNet Advisor because we know exactly by each soil type what's going on and what we're doing in that soil type. And we are about 20 bushel better this year in some of the irrigated areas than we have been in the last 5 years. And that's been on the FieldNet Advisor program. And I really think it's showed us how to water in those stressful areas.
In field trials, FieldNet Advisor provided a 3% yield increase while using 17% less water and energy, and resulted in almost $35 per acre in increased profit. FieldNet Advisor also improves the sustainability of the land and helps the environment by conserving and optimizing water usage. Fully integrated with the proven FieldNet remote irrigation monitoring and control platform, FieldNet Advisor is the only precision farming solution of its kind to deliver an entirely closed-loop system, enabling seamless decision-making, decision execution, and results tracking.
For the last 5 years, we've talked about using the checkbook system, some other modeling programs, some scheduling programs that I just wasn't comfortable with because it didn't identify my soils. And with the way the program's set up and you can show each soil type and what that water needs are on that soil type, it's just a beautiful program that's going to make ROI, the return on investment of this program, well worth it in the years to come.